In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card collection in Glide. Begin by opening the app where you want to add the card collection. First, ensure that the data you intend to display in card format is properly organized in the data section. Check that all table entries are correct and ready for display. Once verified, navigate to the Layout section of your app. On the left-hand side in the Components section, click on the plus icon. In the search box that appears, type Card and locate the card component. Drag and drop it into the Components section. If you already have existing data on your screen, you can place the card collection above or below that data, depending on your desired layout. Once added, the card collection will appear, allowing users to click on individual items to view more details. If the data does not display correctly, ensure that the correct table is selected from the source menu on the right-hand side of your screen. You can customize the card collection extensively through the Design section on the right. Here, you can choose the style of the cards, such as minimal or full card format, adjust the size of each card, and modify how images are displayed, including square or circular shapes. You can also adjust the image size or switch the orientation to horizontal, allowing users to scroll through the cards in a slider format. Following these steps ensures that you can effectively add and style a card collection in Glide.